Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to exit Netflix profile. Let's say you are watching and enjoying Netflix shows and you want to exit from your profile for security reasons. Then simply go ahead and open up your web browser and type in netflix.com. Once you're inside your profile, go to the upper right corner and mouse over to the profile. Now after you click on exit profile in the expanded menu, you will then be able to exit from your profile and it'll take you to this who's watching page. If you have turned on the lock feature for your profile, then once you exit your profile, anyone tries to access your account, they will need to enter your passcode to open up your profile for Netflix. Exiting profile comes handy if you are using a shared device to watch Netflix. So that is how you can easily exit from your Netflix profile in just a couple of steps. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.